Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial from Classic Games United. Yesterday you all saw a tutorial with how to use Goldberg emulator for WWE 2K23, and today will be another tutorial on how to play Crysis 2. As you all know, Crysis 2 servers were shut down and some people in the Open Spy Discord found a new way to play the game online, so I'm just gonna do a tutorial on that. Right, I don't want to talk long today guys, so stay tuned for the tutorial and let's get into it. Alright guys, we're back. Right, so this is the game that I downloaded. Right, you could get the torrent file which will make you download the game ISO, but I downloaded this in parts. Alright, and you could buy the game if you want guys, but honestly I wouldn't buy the game because the devs took the multiplayer offline, and it wouldn't be fair to buy a game that you wouldn't be able to experience the multiplayer. So if you don't want to buy the game and if you just want to try it out, it's up to you to buy it if you want. Then this is the tutorial for you, so I'm gonna help you. Right, so if you download the game like this, you just have to extract part 1 only. Right, so all you have to do is click extract here, and you have to put in the password. That's now. Guys, I'll be back. Guys, we are back, and this is the password here. Right, this is the password, and you'll just extract it. So once you extract part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, part 12, they will extract by themselves. You don't have to extract everything, you understand? Just extract part 1 only, and then the rest of parts will self extract. Right, this is why you call it WinRAR. So all these parts are just connected to each other, you understand? So it will extract everything here without extracting the rest of parts. So all you have to do is extract part 1 and this will extract. So once you're done extracting guys, I'll be back, so stay tuned. Alright guys, it's almost finished extracting. As you can see, part 11, and you will see change to part 12. Let's give it a time, a while, and it will change to part 12 on its own. So you don't have to extract all the parts, you just extract part 1 and it will extract all the other parts by itself. It's called self-extracting. So right now it is on part 11 and it will go to part 12. It's now changed to part 12. Alright, so anytime you download games in parts, just extract part 1 only. Okay, so the file is almost finished extracting. 98%, 99%, and 100. Right, it's finished extracting. Once you finish extracting, you could delete these files, delete all these files guys from part 1 to 12. Delete them, you wouldn't be needing this again. Right, go to your bin and just delete them. Right, now guys, when I do my tutorial, I love to show you everything, how to install the game and everything. I just don't show you how to install the mod, I'll show you how to install the game and everything. Right, now you will need virtual clone drive. Right, or you could use guys, you will type in virtual clone drive because you're gonna need this. Right, virtual clone drive, and so alright, and you'll just download it. Right, once you download it, you install it. It shouldn't be that hard. Just download it, install it, and you set your number of drives, like number 2 drive. So once you open it, once you download it, now you will have this. This is the drive here. You set a number of drive, set how much drive you want, press OK, and press OK, and then you will have this is the virtual clone drive here. Right, this is the drive here, drive D. Right, so what you're gonna do now, go to the game, Right, right click, mount virtual clone drive B. Alright, once you mount it now, yeah, click on it, click OK. Choose whatever language you speak. I speak English. Okay. Right. Crysis Crytek. Right. I had the game installed already, right? So let's see if I have. Okay. Crytek. Alright. I don't have anything there. Right. So let's click next. Next. Create a shortcut. And that's it, guys, and let's let it install. Just installing here. Alright, so this will take a while to install, guys, and I don't want to keep the video going too long. So once this is finished installing, I'll be back, right? So just let it install. Once it's done, it will show that it's finished, right? So it will take a while to install. So I'm just gonna let it install and I'll be back. Alright, guys, the game is almost finished downloading. Installing. Yeah, so it's gonna finish installing now, so we'll be able to get on with the tutorial, guys. Right now, if you like me and you don't like the motion blur, because this game have a lot of motion blur, I will show you how to fix that too. Then we'll install the mod, right? Alright, guys, you don't have to install these things. That's not important. I believe we should have a crack. Alright, you need to install the crack, right? So copy the crack from here. Alright, so what you'll do, guys, right? Just click on here, go to profit, click on the exe, copy, go to here, file location, and let's copy and replace, right? Replace the game exe. Alright, so we're gonna do the motion blur fix now, right? So I'll be back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you, right? Once you're done with this, just eject it. No, go to here, and unmount the game, right? And then you will be able to delete the game. I don't do this again, so delete this to clear up space. Just delete that. You don't need that. Delete it. Clear the bin. Alright, and that will be it, right? So I'll be back and I'll show you how to disable the motion blur. That's the last part I need to do before we install the multiplayer. Because the motion blur, for some, is as if it affect their eyes and stuff. So I'll show you how to remove that, right? I'll be back. Alright, guys, you're back, right? So you will copy this, and then you will paste, right? And then you will rename this Auto EXEC, right? So you will place this back in the, you will open up this now, right? Open up this, delete everything inside of here, and you will just put this, right? And you will put this thing, so that will disable motion blur. But we need one more thing, which I will put now. Okay, this here, this is for those that don't want no motion blur. Right, guys, so we just need one more thing, right? Alright, guys, so once you copy this, you will go to downloads and you will see Crysis 2 configurator, right? Extract it, and you will copy this to the Crysis 2 game folder, right? Mark up Crysis, alright, and you will copy which are the exe is, right? Alright, just now. You want to copy where the game exe is. Here, put downloads, and you'll copy this, right? Run that as administrator. Run as administrator. So every time you start the game, right? Here, up. Let's click OK. Set exe path. It will be C. Program files. Crytek maximum bin 32. You see the exe here. Alright, you'll set the exe path. Go to graphics. Advanced graphics. Motion blur. Enable, right? If you don't want this, you could disable that. See guys, you could leave this as that. Multi GPU, Bloom HDR. You could just disable these tools for now and save. Alright, I think that will be it, guys. That will be so. That should disable the motion blur and stuff, right? So I'll be back with the actual tutorial where installing the Crysis 2 multiplayer launcher, right? I'll be back. Alright guys, so you're back, right? We're gonna install the Crysis launcher. This is the Crysis 2 launcher here. Now guys, first time installing this, I don't know if you have to put this here or in the bin file, but we're just gonna try it anyway and see if it will work, right? Alright guys, so all you have to do is set this as administrator. Alright, set it as administrator, and then click, and then once you set as administrator, you right click run as administrator, and then to download all the files that you need, right? So it's very simple to install. Alright, so you will see play. So all you have to do, guys, put the launcher where the system file is. Right, once more I'm showing you all this. Set it as administrator, apply, okay, then right click, run it as administrator. Alright, run it as administrator, and just let it download. It will download some files. Let it download the files, and then you'll be able to play, right? And this is the server list here. You could join the server list, and this is like the change log and whatever. All right, okay, I don't understand that part. Okay, I don't understand what it's saying, right? The always is a launcher guide, they now made the launcher so it will give a little problem and stuff, but you can check the change log, whatever, and yeah, so you could just press play, right? So I'm gonna test this out now, and I'll be back in the game, and I will let you all know if it works, right? I will record that part in the game.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're back in the game. So as you can see, active mode, open spy. Alright, I believe you have to go to multiplayer. I don't know if you have to just create an account just now. Create an account. Let's see. United, password. Password confirm. Email. But if you have to do it like this, okay, I believe that's how you do it, guys. It seems like it's working. All right. The serial code. Just now, guys, right? I'll be back. Alright, guys, right. I was just checking something, right? Because it's first time really doing this tutorial, right? So once you create your account, it will ask for a serial code. Just enter anything. You can enter anything. You understand? Enter anything like 9999 and just press it until you reach the end, and you will be able to play online. Alright. So as you can see, I'm here right now. Join a match. See if anyone online. No one is online, but we'll still join a server. Right. Alright. We'll join this and see how it works. Right. Master Sim 3.1. So it works. So you'll just enter any serial number, guys, and you'll be able to play online, right? I know that this tutorial wouldn't be the best. Editing. Alright, guys, the match is gonna start. You're gonna see how this run.
Instant action. No retreat.
Wow.
No surrender.
It's playing good. Lucian Blue has been disabled. Wow. This is amazing, guys. Wow. I'm actually going to play this game multiplayer for the first time. Yeah, guys, I'm going to play this game multiplayer for the first time, and it's simply amazing. So sorry, I couldn't be able to show you all everything, but once you create your account, guys, just enter any serial number, right? Enter any serial number, and then click OK, and it will take you straight to the servers, right? So I know this tutorial wasn't the best from me because it's first time really doing this tutorial. I was asking for instructions, but I didn't quite understand. But the guys in the Crysis server helped me to fix the launcher issue, because I was asking them about the launcher issue, and they helped me through. So yeah, so this is a free tutorial, guys, and I believe I'm gonna keep this game. And I had Titanfall 2. I had these games installed, but I don't believe I need these games now. You want to play Crysis. So this is the cracked version of Crysis here. You don't have to buy the game. Just have to install any cracked copy, EA or Steam, and then apply and then use the launcher, right? So this is the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope that you all enjoy. I hope that I helped you all. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video to come. Thanks for watching, and take care, guys, and bye. Alright, guys, before we go, says using the open spy mod, so you could check the open spy mod and stuff. I believe you could still play the campaign too, so I don't know. Yeah, I think I still have cause I was playing the game and I finished So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching once more. Take care and bye.